next we are seeing about the digital electronics unit 2. The unit 2 title is minimization technique. So in minimization technique, we are using the K-map for minimizing. So during the process of simplification of Boolean expression, we have to predict each successive steps. So we can never be absolutely certain that an expression simplified by Boolean algebra alone, it is the simplest possible expressions. So the map method gives us a systematic approach for simplifying a Boolean expression. So the map method is first proposed by Wittig and then modified by Karnack. This is called as a K-map. So in a K-map, we are using one variable, two variable, three variable and four variable maps. So the basic of this method is a graphical chart is known as a K-map. It contains boxes called as a cells. So each of the cell represent one of the 2 power n possible product that can be performed from n variables. So a 2 variable map contains the 2 power 2 equal to 4 cells and a 3 variable map contains 2 power 3, it becomes 8 cells, and 2 power 4 means we are having the 16 cells and so on. So first see the example. This is the one variable map. One variable map having the 2 cells. One variable means we are using the a variable alone. So a one variable means 2 possible zeros and ones. Next one is the two variable map. Two variable means we are using the a and b. Two variable means we are having four possible 0 0 0 1 1 0 and then the 1 1 1. Two variable map means it contains four cells, and then we are using the three variable map. Three variable means a b c. Three input means we are having the possible of 8 possibles, so we are using the 8 cell. Next one is the 4 variable map. 4 variable means we are having the possible of 16. So we are using the 16 cells. So this one is the representation of 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable map. First we are seeing the 1 variable map. 1 variable means we are using the variable A alone, having 2 cells represented by M0 and M1. 2 variable means 4 cell M0, M1, M2, M3. And 3 variables means up to M0 to M7. And then 4 variable means M0 to M15. These are all the representation of K-map. In K-map, we are solving the problem. We are using the two method. One is the SOP, sum of product, and another one is the POS, product of sum. In SOP method, we are using the min terms, and POS method, we are using the max terms. It represented by small m and then represented by the capital M. So next we are seeing the plotting of a K-map. First we know about the cell. The smallest unit of a K-map corresponding to one line of a truth table. So the input variables are the cell coordinates and the output variable is the cell content. So see the example. We are using the three variable input A, B, C. Three variable means 8 possible. So the output is, we are using the operation 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Plotting the K-map represents the output alone. So A, B, C three variable, plotting the three variable K-map, and then we are mentioning the possible ones alone. So first output is there in first place. So 1 1 1. Next one we are grouping the cells. This is the examples for 4 variable map. So next we are seeing the representing standard SOP and K-map. For example problem, plot the Boolean expression y equal to ABC bar plus ABC plus A bar B bar C on the K-map. We are having three variables, so we are using the three variable K-map.